In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Phantom wallet to Axiom. By following these steps, you will be able to link your wallet and access the features on the Axiom platform seamlessly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Axiom website and press the Enter key. Wait for the page to fully load, ensuring that all elements are visible before proceeding. Once the Axiom homepage is displayed, look for the option labeled Connect Wallet. This button is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Connect Wallet to initiate the wallet connection process. After clicking, a list of supported wallets will appear. From this list, locate and select Phantom. Once you click on Phantom, your browser will trigger a pop-up associated with your Phantom wallet. In the Phantom wallet pop-up, you will see an option to connect or approve. Click on this button to allow Axiom to access your wallet. This step is crucial for linking your wallet to the Axiom platform. Once you've clicked connect or approve, the pop-up will close automatically and you should return to the Axiom interface. At this point, your wallet should be connected successfully, allowing you to utilize Axiom's features with your Phantom wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.